Let us solve for C here. Let's about to do it. Try and make everything to be at one side. So that will be C squared plus this C minus 2C root C equals to 0. So from here, you can factor out C. That means C into C plus 1 plus 2 root C equals to 0. That means this times this equals to 0. This means either C equals to 0 or C plus 1 plus 2 root C equals to 0. So we have gotten that our first solution. C is 0. So remaining this one now. So if C equals to 0, then either C, this C plus 1 plus 2 root C will be equals to 0. That means C plus 1 will be equals to minus 2 root C. Yes. To do it now, let's us square this and this. You know why I want to deal with the radicand here. So we have C, this one becomes C square plus 2C plus 1 equals to 4C. This square is 4, and this one C. So we now rearrange. So we have C square plus 2C minus 4C plus 1 equals to 0. So the equation is now C square plus minus, because minus 2C plus 1 equals to 0. In progress. So take out two numbers in which if you add, you get minus C minus 2C. I want to multiply themselves, you get plus 1. Let me see it again. Think of two numbers in which when you bring them together, it gives you minus 2C. And when they multiply themselves, it gives you plus 1. The numbers are minus 1 and minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 2. And minus times minus is plus 1 times 1 and 1. So I want to use C equals to this. That means from here to have a bracket like this equals to 0. That means C minus 1 and C minus 1. So if C minus 1 multiplied by C minus 1 equals to 0, that means either C equals to 1 or C is equals to 1. So therefore, C is equals to 1. How many times? Twice. So in summary, our answer here is C equals to 0 or C equals to 1. C equals to 1. Let us make it clear for everybody. So either of the three, we put it here to get that it will be correct. Let us prove and see. We put 0 here. 0 square is 0, plus 0 is 0. Left side is 0. And if you put 0, 0, everything here will be 0. Now, if you put 1, 1 square is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So you have 2 here, because 2. You put 1 here, 2. 2 times 1, 2. Root of 1 is 1. That means 2 times 1 is still 2. So that is the answer. Wow.